Hi everyone, I wanted to show you this Sasha doll that I picked up from the car boot and how I'm attempting to fix her hair. She has beautiful curly hair, but unfortunately when I got her it was in big tangled sections like this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to attempt to restore her hair back to its fantastic curly glory. This side I've untangled, but obviously it's a bit frizzy, so I need to try and fix that. And all I'm doing first of all is very gently with my fingers is undoing the tangles. I'm not brushing through her hair because otherwise it'll turn into a big fluff ball. So all I'm doing is very carefully going through. I've put conditioner on her hair, I've washed it with some shampoo and then put conditioner on, and it's actually took me that long. Her hair's starting to dry now, but what I'm doing is just very gently going through with my fingers just to get the big tangles out. And then if I have to, I'm using like my comb on the very ends that are really tangled, but I'm trying not to do that too much. So it's just a case of going through bit by bit and detangling the hair, just little by little. See, I've untangled that bit. I'm just working my way from the bottom up the hair. I'm not pulling tight or hard or anything, because the conditioners on there is separating easier than it would if the hair was dry. So just very gently. And then this is like what it was like when it started, where it's all in quite big clumps, and the hair I've gone through, each little pieces of hair, each little part of the hair is separate. Just a case now of recombining some of these and smoothing everything down and then letting it recurl. So what I'm going to do is just carry on very gently with my fingers, just teasing the tangles out of this side. Then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Obviously what I've got to do is reduce the fluff, because the ends, as you can see, are really separated and fluffy. So what I need to do is soak the hair again, and what I'm going to do is just use warm water. I'm not going to use the boiling hot water because I don't want to straighten her hair. So I'm just going to use some warm water, just make sure I've rinsed out any conditioner that's left in her hair, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. So what I did was I took some warm water, not really hot like you would if you were doing a boil wash, but just hot enough like you can stick your fingers in it, but it is fairly warm, so it wasn't like a boil wash. And then what I did is I just soaked her hair literally just for like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and her hair looks like this so far, and that's just took down some of the frizz, and it's starting to bunch back up and curl back up. And then all I'm going to do now is very gently just give her hair a little bit of a scrunch, only a little bit, just to encourage those curls back into place. And then what I'm going to do now is leave her to air dry completely. I'm not going to use a hair dryer, straighteners, nothing at all. And I'm just going to leave her hair to air dry on this blanket, and I'll show you what she looks like when she's dry. I have took 2 pieces from the front and tied them at the back just to get the hair out of her face a bit, and as you can see, her curls have returned. Couple of little slightly frizzy bits, but most of that's gone, and her lovely curls are back. So that's it. That's how to save and sort of restore curly hair. So that's it. That's how to fix dolls that have got curly hair, how to sort their hair out and repair it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.